Hey everyone, want to update FileZilla to the latest version? In this video, I'll show you how to update FileZilla step by step. Yeah, keeping FileZilla updated helps you get the newest features, security improvements, bug fixes, and better compatibility with modern servers. First, open FileZilla on your computer. Before updating, check your current version by clicking Help and selecting About FileZilla. This will show you which version is currently installed. Next, check if a newer version is available. You can use FileZilla's built-in update checker if available, or visit the official FileZilla website to compare your installed version with the latest release. If an update is available, download the newest FileZilla client installer. Always download updates from the official source to make sure you get the secure and authentic version. After the download is complete, close FileZilla completely. Then open the installer file from your Downloads folder to begin the update process. Follow the installation instructions on your screen. The installer will usually detect your existing FileZilla installation and update it while keeping your saved settings and connection profiles. Once the installation finishes, open FileZilla again and check the About FileZilla section to confirm that the latest version has been installed successfully. If the update does not work properly, try restarting your computer and running the installer again with administrator permissions. Permission issues can sometimes prevent software updates from completing. For the best performance, regularly check for updates and keep FileZilla current, especially if you use it to manage important server files. So updated software helps keep your file transfers safer and more reliable, and that's how you update FileZilla. With the latest version installed, you can continue managing FTP and sftp connections with improved performance and security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.